I rise to support the demands and oppose the cut motion listed for the day. Regarding demand number 48, health services, I would really like to thank Honorable Health Minister. आमचे शिवोलचे प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटराचे फाटल्यान एक बिल्डिंग आसलें ट्रू PWD बिल्डिंग्स ते आख्खे रिपेर आनी रेनोवेट करून अराउंड 60 lakhs वॉज स्पेंट ऑन इट आनी आमी मिनिस्टर येयलो आनी ते इनॉग्रेटूय करून दिल्ले आमकां हांव खरेंच देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी आमचे ओल्ड PHC प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटरूय अराउंड 22 lakhs म्हणून तेय रेनोवेट आनी ब्युटिफाय करून दिल्ले आहा ऑल टुगेदर अराउंड 88 lakhs ह्या 4 वर्सांनी ह्या दोनूय ओल्ड PHC घर आनी न्यू बिल्डिंगाचेर मोडून आख्खे रेनोवेट करून दिला. रिक्वेस्ट करता आमच्या ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक की आमचे प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर CHC कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर वेगळ्याचे वेगळ्यान करचे. आमकां जेन्ना तुमी इनॉग्रेट करपाक येयल्ले त्या दिसा अश्युरन्स दिल्ले की हे करतले म्हणून. द थिंग इज आज इज अ कोस्टल बेल्ट आनी कितलेच ट्युरिस्ट बिसायड्स दॅट प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर इज केटरिंग टू 8 विलेजीस आनी ट्युरिस्ट कितलेच हात पांय मोडोन थंयसर पयले येतात आमच्या प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटरान आनी जेन्ना तांकां बेजीक एमेनिटीज थंयसर मेळना तांकां आमकां आजिलो हॉस्पिटलान धाडूंक पडटा. सेकंडली आमकां थंयसर कार्डिओ एम्बुलन्स जाय. एम्बुलन्स फिटेड विथ दोज मशिनरी वेर इट चॅक्स ऑन द वे द हार्ट बिट्स कार्डिओ एम्बुलन्स म्हणटा. कितलेच आमचे शिवोलकार नाजाल्यार ट्युरिस्ट जेन्ना थंयसर हार्ट अटॅक येवन येतात आमच्या प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटरान दे हॅव टू वेट टील दॅट कार्डिओ एम्बुलन्स कम्स फ्रॉम आजिलो हॉस्पिटल टू टेक दॅम टू आजिलो. सो एक कार्डिओ एम्बुलन्स आमकां वेगळ्याचे वेगळ्यान दिवचे म्हणून आमची मागणी. एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट ऑफ 108 ट्रॉमा युनिट एट प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर शिवोली. एक ट्रॉमा युनिटूय आमकां थंयसर गरजेचो. फूल टायम गायनेकॉलॉजिस्ट थंयसर जाय. बेजीक थिंग इज वी नीड अ एक्सरे मशीन विथ टेक्निशियन नाजाल्यार फॉर इवन टू रिमूव एन एक्सरे वी हॅव टू गो ऑल द वे टू आजिलो हॉस्पिटल. सो हे बेजीक आमकां CHC कोडचे पयले पासून आमकां एक्सरे मशीन थंयसर मेळता जाल्यार इट वूड बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प. ते आमचे प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटराच्या सायडीकूच एक धाकटुले कॉटर्स आहा जे सुवातेर आमी आख्खे शिवोलचे वेटनरी युनिट म्हणून यूज करतात तेजे रिपेर एंड रेनोवेशन करचे म्हणून आमची मागणी. आमची देर आर वेकंट पोस्ट ओवर देर MTS 8 number of posts are vacant and 2 MTS who are deployed here they work at CHC Valpoi. हे दोनूय आमकां दिवचे परते आनी multipurpose health workers 4 number are vacant and 1 is deployed at CHC Valpoi and the other one is deployed at PHC Ponda. एकाय हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता की वेगळ्याचे वेगळ्यान आमकां हे पोस्ट आमकां भरून दिवचे. सेकंडली इन आजिलो हॉस्पिटल देर आर अराउंड 12 morgues out of which 4 are not working. आमच्या हे आजिलो caters to around to all the 7 constituencies बार्देस आनी जेन्ना कोण घरांतलो मरता आनी मागीर ते मॉर्ग खाली ना मॉर्ग चलोना म्हणटा ते they have to first of all they are all distressed because someone from their house has died and to because 4 morgues are not working there they have to carry the body dead body all the way to JMC. So please look into it that 4 morgues number of morgues which are not working at Azilo should be repaired at the earliest. I think they are not working for a long time. GSIDC has said that they are doing it, but at war footing, these 4 malls which are not working should be done. I would request, आताच आमच्या honorable chief minister सांगला की all those who are all the ladies 40 and above should do their medical checkup. I would request ki why 40 and above? Everyone who is 18 and above should be mandatorily asked by the government to do their preventive annual health checkup. आणि हे आमकां PHC आणि आजिलान आणि GMC न्हूच न्हू. We should get it even at all these hospitals which are affiliated with Deen Dayal Swasth Seva Yojana. हे मेडिक्लेम कार्ड आमकां सरकारान दिल्ले आहा. तितूंतल्यान आमकां ह्या प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलांनी वचून हे एन्युअल मेडिकल चेकअप करूंक मेवचे म्हणून आमचो रिक्वेस्ट. Regarding food and drugs, demand number 53. Deployment of more field officers. As you are aware, there are many cases coming into light with recent artificial ripening. The FDI is doing a great job trying to curb these malpractices. However, this needs to be carried out across the state too. I would request more such surveillance drives should be done as we are fast approaching the mango season. Not just mango, but all the fruits ripening, regarding artificial ripening of all the fruits should be taken up at regular intervals and at all the places. Speaker sir, donut minta. Requirement of rapid response team. The FDA department should form a rapid response team to tackle issues such as food poisoning or instances where there is information leaked about any malpractices done such as adulteration, artificial ripening. A sub office at MAPSA. MAPSA is one of the main hub for entry of all food particles into the state via tourist buses and carrier vehicles. I request that one office should be provided and daily checks to be done at the bus stand. Also, MAPSA is a main point of fruit supply to majority of 5-star hotels in Goa. Increase number of 24/7 pharmacies in Goa. There is a need of it's a need of an hour to increase the number of round-the-clock pharmacies in Goa.
Okay.
As medications are sometimes needed at odd hours and it's difficult to find such premises.
Yes, madam.
And I would request the FDA to increase the number of registration camps for self-help groups and Mahila Mandals and also conduct trainings for them on food safety and hygiene,
Okay.
as well as labeling, so as to empower them to provide safe and hygienic food along with proper labelings on the products they are selling. Regarding TCP, I would request Honorable Chief Minister, आम्ही already letter तुमच्या ऑफिसान पावयल्ली हा regarding the grievances of our people from our constituency. ती letter तुम्ही मातशे पोवचे. And when it comes to change of land use, it should be given only for Goans who have really genuine problem regarding the change of
Yes.
land use.
Vinesh Burkar.
Only for Goans with the affidavit that this Goan will
Yes,
not
madam.
sell his
the- thank
land
you. Yes.
to anybody for the next
Yes,
10
thank you, madam.
10
Thank
years.
you, thank you. Vinesh
आमकां
Burkar. 2 minutes.
10 minutes पण दिवचे न्हू.
See the time there, you can see in front of you.
जाऊं
Vinesh
माय
Burkar.
आणि 1 minute उरला.
विपाकडे विचार तरी 100 मिनिटां म्हणली तुका 10 मिनिटां
Regarding women and child, only one point. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता की जेन्ना आमी वुमन एंड चायल्ड ऑफिसान म्हापसा यार्डान वयतात फॉर्मां घेवन ते तुमचो स्टाफ आहा ते फिडिंगूच करिना. 2 म्हयन्या उपरांत बसून गेल्यार थिसर द स्टेटस कम्स एज नॉन सबमिशन ऑफ फॉर्म्स. सो रिक्वेस्ट करता कोणे तरी 3 दिसांनी वचून पळोवचें की ते फिडिंग करतात काय ना ते. थँक्यू स्पीकर.
थँक्यू मॅडम